Hey, it's Gabe with API Nation. The most successful real estate agents lately have been creating their own email newsletters to stay in front of their clients, get in their inbox. They know they get them. They don't have to worry about the Facebook, Instagram, Twitter algorithm wiping them out or making them pay to play. So maybe you've thought, yeah, I should start an email newsletter also. Maybe you even hopped on to Constant Contact, started putting together your email newsletter, and then thought, who am I going to send this to? Well, you should probably send it to all these people in dotloop you've worked with in the past. These are your clients. These are the people who need to know what you're doing and need to be reminded that you're a real estate agent out there serving the market. So the easiest way to do that is through API Nation. You can sync dotloop to Constant Contact and make sure those contacts are always updated. Let me show you how. You go to apination.com, click on Apps and Syncs. We have a ton of apps plugged in, ready to go. You're just going to find dotloop, here we go, and Constant Contact. And now we're just going to connect them, which is the easiest part. You click Connect dotloop. Oh, here we go. I'm just going to sign in. Cool. Step 1 done. Step 2, connect Constant Contact. So we're just going to click this button. And that's it. It might ask you to sign into Constant Contact, but that's all it takes to connect the two. So now dotloop and Constant Contact are connected, and we just have to configure it, which is just a few options. So in dotloop, you're just going to specify if you want all the profiles, all the participants and people from all those profiles sent over, or do I want to specify maybe an individual profile? Maybe I only want Nick's, or maybe I only want my star agent profile sent over. I actually want all the profiles sent over so I can really build this list out. And if you scroll down here to the Constant Contact options, I can create lists based on the roles from the loops. So all those participants in your dotloop loops, you can actually have a list, a highly segmented specified list created for each of those roles. Agents, inspectors, buyers, sellers, all those roles. That way you can send out relevant information to them and really blow that newsletter up. Finally, everybody you have in dotloop contacts will also be placed on a list, which you can specify here. We usually call it dotloop people, but if you have another list, maybe you have a general newsletter list you want to send it to, just specify that here. So this will be all your contacts in dotloop will go on this list. And this is just specifying the people in each loop, how you would like to create lists based on that. You can do it based on role, or you can create lists based on each loop. So if you want to have a loop and then email all those people as a newsletter, that's fine. Or maybe you want to do a zip code. So everybody in a zip code that you've worked with in the past, you can send out a newsletter to those people, letting them know when houses are selling in their area, what it's looking like there. Same thing, agent name, email. Role is my suggestion. That way you can send it out information based on what they're working on, what they're interested in. And now we'll hit subscribe and start. And here you go. I'm running a lot of different workflows. I've automated a lot of things, and here are the Constant Contact dotloop workflows we've just created. Now, anytime somebody is added to a loop, one of these participants are added, or somebody's added inside dotloop people, if it's added or updated, it'll get added to Constant Contact automatically. So now you can build out your Constant Contact newsletter lists easily, automatically, just by doing your normal work in dotloop and having those people synced over into Constant Contact into relevant lists. So we hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, ideas, shoot us an email, give us a phone call. We're API Nation, connecting the world's applications. We love doing this stuff.